Hello. Welcome back to my channel, and my name is Angelia Grace, and today we are here to do this hair. I am going on a hair growth journey, a weight loss journey, a hair growth journey. We're on all sorts of explorations around here, but today we are starting with none truly but Good Girl Beauty. This is probably the closest I'll get to me and Cardi B in a picture together. We're hot. Anyhow, so I did get the entire line. I did, because how else are we gonna test something if we don't test every single product? I feel like these things work in combination with each other. It's a family, so we're gonna test it all out. Mind you, I have not done anything to my hair. The only hairstyle that I know how to do, tried and true, is a silk press. That is literally the only hairstyle that I know how to do, which this part of us going on this journey together is I'm gonna be figuring that out. I'm 35. Since pretty much the age of 4, I've been in the salon every 2 weeks. I've had someone to deal with my hair, but since I moved from Tennessee to where I am now, I have not been able to find a good stylist. And I just keep waiting and testing some things out. It just does not be working, but I want to learn. So whether that's me trying flexi rods, whatever, and if you guys have any easy natural hairstyle that you think are easy to do, please let me know, put them down below. So if you haven't already, go ahead and like, comment, share, and subscribe if you want to support me on my hair care journey and also just get to know me a bit more. So let's get into the products. The first product that we have is the Wash Cycle Shampoo. I'm gonna give you, this is my first thoughts. I love that everything comes pretty much sealed, and you can see I have not used this. This is going to be a real raw reaction of how I do it. I'm going to try my best to not heavily edit the video, but we're going to open everything because washing my hair will be a task. This smells really good and fresh. It reminds me of a floral scent, but it smells good. I really like it. We're gonna do that. I didn't get the plus, I just got the regular Wash Cycle. Now this is the soft serve conditioner. I will be using this as well today, but like I said, I'm gonna do it after the hair mask. And now we're gonna see if this smells like the shampoo, which it does. I can't really tell you what it smells like, but it smells good. So regular soft serve. Now the next thing that we're going to be using is the Booty Length Certified hair mask. Now I think it makes sense, and you can correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. Please help me. Oh my god, this is my favorite one out of all the scents. It's very perfumey. It doesn't smell like chemicals or anything. I probably should have opened this in a shower. So this is the DIY mask. So again, our cycle, we're gonna shampoo, condition, regular condition, and then once we're done, I'm usually use a different heat protectant, but today we're gonna use this also as our heat protectant, and we're gonna silk press this hair. So let me see if I can see what this smells like. But I can open it. I do. It's very floral, like jasmine or lavender, maybe some eucalyptus or something in there. Very easy. And then I also got this free sample of the serum. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this one first and then start using this. But we're gonna go ahead and get my hair washed, and then I'll meet you guys back here. Okay, so this is my hair post-wash. This is using the soft serve only. As you can see, more of my curl definition has come back. I definitely still have to detangle, but I feel like my scalp is really clean. I feel like my hair is really clean as well. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's squeaky clean. Now I have low iron, so you probably will see a lot of hair shedding for me. I'm taking iron supplements. I'm working on it with my doctor, and I don't need an internet doctor, respectfully. But we're gonna detangle and do the mask. Now we're supposed to put this in our hair and let it stay for 10 to 15 minutes. I'm not wasting any product, so we're gonna start working this through our hair. Now immediately putting this hair mask on, I feel like it definitely smells more like eucalyptus, maybe like a lavender mint, but it feels great in my hair. I'm gonna get more of this in and then I'll be back. More and more. I'm being very liberal with the product. I'm literally just grabbing it by the handfuls because I need to detangle my hair. Pretty much how much I used. I literally was just scooping it up and then working it through my hair. I can already tell that my curls are more defined than they usually are. Even with the conditioner inside, I can tell that it's way more defined. And we're gonna see what it does, how it bounces back. But for right now, this is how we look. And I will be back in 15 minutes. All right, we are back post hair mask, post soft serve conditioner. I don't know if you guys can tell, but my curls are way more defined. They look amazing. My hair smells amazing, feels amazing. Usually I know when I rinse my conditioner out. With the soft serve conditioner, I could not tell because my hair was so soft as well. I get the name. I get it. So I'm about to get a little dress. My hair smells so good. It smells too good. Now this is after I put it in one of these little air turban things. So this is post blow dry and I love it. I thought I need to stop doing fucked up middle parts, but I thought my hair would be a bit more uneven, but I forgot the last time that I got a sew-in, I asked to have my ends trimmed. So I actually think my hair may have grown a little bit, but this is before we straighten it. So this is where we're at right now and we'll straighten it. It feels good. My hair feels good, it feels clean. Now it's time to blow dry. I'm able to finger comb my hair and I think it came out good. For a blowout, I've never considered wearing a blowout before, but I will wear this one. I feel like if I had a cute little clip, this would be cute. So 10 out of 10 for me. I would definitely keep buying this line. Literally, as soon as it goes back in stock, I will be getting more. And one thing I can say that I've noticed post hair washing mat, like the deep conditioning mask, is I have way less breakage in my hair. I had a lot before. A lot before. I will insert clips just showing you how much I have to clean out of the shower, but none. Oh, here we go. We have 2 little strands. That's good to me, considering we have, we're gonna do a test. I was making sure there's no hair. I love it. Good grow is good to go, period. Certified booty length, I think we're gonna get there. I think what it is, I'll do once a month check-in and we will see how this is treating my hair over time. I'm excited. I'm good. I feel like my hair looks good. So over and out. I will see you guys in the next video. Like I said, if you have any hairstyles that you think will look good on me, or any tips that you have for taking care of natural hair, especially if your hair is like mine, please send them my way. This is the year that I end saying I don't know how to do my hair. I am 36. I can do hard things. So we're starting here, and I hope you guys are along for the ride.